Manufacturers today operate across multiple systems, including ERP, CRM, MES, and supply chain platforms. But these systems rarely communicate with each other, creating disconnected data silos across the enterprise. As a result, financial leaders lack a unified, real-time view of business performance and often rely on delayed reports that reflect what has already happened, not what is happening now. At the same time, financial outcomes are increasingly driven by operational signals like production efficiency, supply chain disruptions, inventory fluctuation, and demand variability. Yet, connecting these operational drivers to financial performance remains complex and time-consuming. In an environment of rising costs, demand uncertainty, and limited AI expertise, this lack of visibility forces finance teams into reactive decision-making, leading to margin pressure, revenue loss, and working capital challenges. Nava AI addresses this challenge by bringing operational and financial data together into a unified, AI-powered analytics platform. With Nava AI's financial foresight, finance teams gain instant access to real-time insight through conversational AI and intuitive dashboards. Instead of manually analyzing reports, leaders can simply ask questions in natural language and immediately uncover critical insights. Powered by advanced AI and predictive analytics, the platform helps finance team understand not only what is happening, but why is it happening and what actions to take next. With this intelligence, finance leaders can move beyond reactive reporting to proactive, AI-driven financial management, strengthen margins, optimize working capital, and make faster strategic decisions. Nava AI securely integrates with enterprise systems such as ERP, CRM, MES, and supply chain platforms, automatically bringing operational and financial data into a single unified intelligence layer. Once unified, the platform applies advanced AI and machine learning models to continuously analyze business performance. Nava AI forecasts key business metrics, including revenue trends, demand shift, cost fluctuations, inventory movements, and margin performance. Finance leaders can interact with platform through conversational AI interface, asking questions like, why did margins decline this quarter? What factors are impacting revenue forecast for next month? Within seconds, the platform delivers clear explanation and data-backed insight. With Nava AI's financial foresight, organizations achieve measurable impact, up to 70% faster financial reporting and analysis, up to 35% more accurate forecasting, 3 to 8% improvement in gross margins, 10 to 20% better working capital efficiency, 2 to 3 times faster strategic decision-making. With Nava AI's financial foresight, finance teams no longer just analyze past performance. They gain the intelligence to anticipate risks, identify opportunities, and guide the business forward. Transform financial data into predictive intelligence and lead your organization to confidence,